In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a daily time limit in the Threads app. If you've been finding yourself scrolling a little longer than you'd like, this quick setting can help you build healthier habits without adding friction to your day. Start by opening the Threads app on your device. Make sure you're signed in, and if possible, keep your app updated so all settings appear as described. Once the app is open, look to the bottom right and tap your profile. This is the icon that shows your photo or silhouette, and it takes you straight to your personal space where all your account options live. At the top right of your profile screen, tap the two lines. This is the menu button. You might hear it called the hamburger menu. When you tap it, it opens up the main settings area where you can fine-tune how Threads works for you. From the options that appear, select Account. This section collects your account-related preferences and controls, including tools that help you manage how much time you spend in the app. Next, tap Time Management. This is the hub for features that keep your usage balanced. It's designed to nudge you toward mindful scrolling and help you step away when you've hit your chosen limit for the day. Now tap Daily Limit. This is where you decide how much time you want to allow yourself in Threads each day before you receive a reminder. It doesn't lock you out of the app. Instead, it provides a gentle heads up so you can decide whether to continue or take a break. Choose the interval that fits your routine: 15, 30, or 45 minutes. Think about when you typically check Threads, maybe in short bursts between tasks or during a lunch break, and pick the option that supports that pattern. You can always come back and adjust this later as your habits evolve. There's no save button here. Your changes are saved automatically the moment you select an interval. That means once you tap your preferred time, you're all set. The next time you reach that daily limit, you'll see a reminder to pause and reset. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see these options, make sure your app is up to date. And remember, this tool works best when you pair it with your own goals, whether that's focusing more during work hours or just creating a little space for offline time. That's it. You've set a daily time limit in Threads, and you're on your way to more intentional scrolling.